Hello again. Today I'm going to show you how to install the print driver on Konica Minolta BizHub C220. It applies to basically all the BizHub series, running the printer driver installation from the CD that comes with the machine. So now I've just plugged the CD, put the CD into the computer, and I run the auto run on the CD. And you get the welcome screen up. We click on printer install. So just a prerequisite to this, what I've done so far is just plug the machine into the network, and I have assigned a manual IP address. So I click on yes to continue. Click on agree. Select the top one, install printers. Click next. And you can see now the wizard searches for any printers that are on the network applicable to this printer driver installation. If you got more than one, you can see that they show up here. I'm just going to select the second one here. And I go, if it doesn't show up there, you can specify the printer down here by typing in the IP address manually. In some cases the auto detect doesn't work, so I'll click on next. On this screen you can see the list of printer drivers that are installed. So in this case, as default, it'll install the PostScript driver as well as the PCL driver and the XPS driver. If you only want one driver, in most cases I might recommend only install the PCL driver on a normal Windows computer. So I'll just select the PCL one, hit OK and install. For some users it might be confusing to install more than one printer driver. Just keep it simple and install one. You can see now the installation has been completed. So what I can do now, before I hit finish here, you can rename the printer. So as a default it names it C360 series, for example. I might want to specify here that it's a C220 and PCL, and hit OK to that. A couple of other things I might want to do is go into properties here, and I might want to change the default settings, for example, to many users prefer to default it to black and white printing by default. So in that case I go into advanced and printing defaults. Remember that the advanced printing defaults, that's the default for any new computer or any new user that is connecting to the printer driver on this particular machine. So I can go in here, you can see further down here, select color auto is default, so I could change that to grayscale, and anyone connecting to this computer now or this printer driver will have default black and white printing or grayscale printing. Say OK to that. Another thing, you may want to default to, for example, double-sided printing to save paper. And you can also go into the print settings here, and that would be, these are the preferences for this particular user logged into this machine, and you can see that's already grayscale there. But if I wanted this particular user to actually default to color, I could override the default and change it back to color, and that will apply only for that user, not for everyone else connecting to the same machine. And I can print a test page to confirm that the printing is set up correctly, and finish and exit. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.